All right, Roro, here go your cookie. Dang! She ain't even give me a chance. Roro. You smacking?
You record my thing yet?
Oh, wait. Yeah, I did.
We getting fucked up tonight. We gon' let you see fire. Let you see stars. Let you elevate. Let you be light. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up.
Who got the keys to my car?
Tonight, what's in these four walls?
Hey, what's up, Misfit Crew? It's your girl, April. And Reggie, and we back with another banger. Easy. And as y'all can tell from the title, today we're actually baking cookies. So we bought some cookie dough. We got chocolate chip, and we got sugar cookies. And we repurposed this icing. We got some icing color to decorate the cookies. And we got these two, what's these called? Like cookie cutters. Snowflake, candy cane, Santa, a snowman, gingerbread man, and a dog for Roro.
Oh, that's a dog. We said dog.
Oh, so, and then we got some, I call this cookie dust, glitter dust, the blue, silver, and then this got like the sprinkles and more dust and stuff like that to add on to the cookies. All right, so now we're gonna get started. Let me open this up. And I already preheated our oven to 350. Get right there. All right. What can you do?
Sugar cookie.
What can you do? Oops.
You eat sugar cookies?
I eat both. And I got us some dough here. Now hopefully this turned out well, guys.
Oh, you never made it before?
Which one do I remember?
Can I see what?
It's yours.
Oh, never mind.
I'm making both. And then once you make your cookies, put it on the cookie sheet. I might have to get the other cookie sheet. Which one you want? Oh, the decorating come out the cookie bake, huh? I'm slow. And yes, we did wash our hands.
How flat?
Whatever flat you make it.
Oh, I think that's good.
And make sure you get the sharp side of the cookie cutter and you press it really hard. That side and down. Yep. And press really hard. You see how April getting her edges on? You need to press harder than that, please.
Oh, going through. But like,
You see how April just got her edges on? Push, push.
it went through already.
Now you gotta get your edges on.
Oh.
I hope, y'all, I hope these bake out right. We gonna see. Oh.
You walking like boiled and stuff?
Mhm.
So it sounds like them.
It is though, that's why it's called cookie dough. It's called cookie dough.
Roll can eat this. Can you see? Really good.
One more olive cookie. I might actually give this cookie to Roro so she can eat when it's baked. Obviously. I ain't giving my dog no raw dough. Right, Mouse? Roro. See? Oh, Roro, your tail breaking. Ah. We got another cookie sheet too if you need it. Oh, I think I want to make a sugar snowman. I mean a sugar sandwich.
Boughs of holly, you get around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. Rockin' around, 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 rockin', 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 rockin'. Bass drop. Rockin'.
Listen up, Montana. Ah! And I can't move the ones that's on here. So we gotta hurry up, y'all.
Oh,
All right.
rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring.
All right, y'all. This is what the cookies look like. They kind of blew up, so I got the idea that we just gonna try to guess what shape, and then cut the shape in the middle of the cookie. Cut the shape out of the cookie, if that makes sense. So, say for instance, this one looks like the candy cane. I'm gonna get this one, which I actually think is beige. Oops. And then she just gonna use her candy cane and cut the shape out of that. Okay? Which one of these you want? You know, man.
Me or him? I mean, me or
You. I don't aim for one.
Oh, yeah, I know that's. I don't know.
Yes. Go ahead.
Hurry up for a cool off.
Exactly. Huh. Some of them fuse together, so we just gonna be guessing, but hey, that's okay. I was saying for you to move these out the way. I don't know. I'm just guessing, y'all. But I guess you can eat whatever cookie you want to eat. Did it work out? You just eating the cookies. You need to cut the decorations out and then eat the cookies. Roro might be short. Oh, this might be Roro right here.
Yeah, sugar cookies just plain chocolate.
Oh, yeah. Well, this one gonna be Roro. It's gonna be a little off, Roro. But still gonna be good, Roro. Cause you trying to eat the cookie.
Not bad.
I just told you, eat the cookie later. Mm-hmm.
Oh, so no, snowman decapitated now. We're gonna finish decorating. I'm gonna give Roro her cookie,
And then we're gonna clean up and what? Call it a night. No. I think we got other stuff to do. But anyway, y'all. As I record the cookies. Oh. I don't really want to pick the cookies up because as soon as I pick it up, it's gonna be
In the new old-fashioned way.
Dang. Alright, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed our baking cookies with us. We had to improvise a little bit, but it turned out nicely. So, as always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe,
And share.
this video, and make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you know every time me and my baby drop in a banger. See y'all tomorrow. Y'all, I forgot to show y'all the cookie tin. Really, me and Sean pretty much ate our cookies, so he got one left. I ate my cookies, and April gonna put her cookies in here. But look how cute it is. This is the cookie tin. I'm sure we're gonna make more cookies because we like cookies, and just put them in here, and then we can have some little holiday treats when we open the gifts and stuff. But, bam.
I'm so cozy.